From impossible burgers to veggie dogs and beyond, these plant-based menu options are tasty and healthy alternatives. Impress the guests at your next summer party by serving plant-based alternatives with your traditional barbecue favorites. As more Americans are embracing a plant-based way of eating, traditional barbecue foods are shifting. More than 1/3 of Americans say they are actively trying to eat more plant-based foods. More plants means more fiber, which is good for your gut health and helps with feeling full. So, if you're one of those people who are trying to increase the amount of plant-based foods in your diet, let this list of plant-based foods inspire your next summer barbecue menu. 1. Fake meat burgers. A number of plant-based patties are available at your local grocery store. You don't have to fuss with making your own vegan burger mixture. Many brands have mastered the best texture and flavor for spectacular sandwiches. Make sure to be aware that some of these burgers have more sodium than traditional beef patties. With fixings like cheese and condiments, you could take in a lot of salt. Cut back on high-sodium toppings, and opt for a low-sodium side like slaw or corn salad instead of fries. 2. Veggie Hot Dogs. In addition to plant-based fake meat options, roasted carrots look a lot like hot dogs, and if they're cooked right, they can taste and feel like one, too. A roasted carrot spiced with cumin is excellent in a whole wheat hot dog bun topped with well-seasoned cabbage. Cooking low and slow is the key to the carrot-turned hot dog. This particular temperature setting for roasting allows the veggie to become tender and toothsome, and it infuses the vegetable with any spices or rubs you've applied. Carrots are low-calorie, so you might still feel hungry after you eat one. You can help your stomach by eating a spoonful of a hearty grain salad in place of potato chips. 3. Tofu Steaks. Tofu steaks can be prepared in a number of appetizing ways. With correct handling, tofu tastes and cooks a lot like chicken or pork. Extra firm tofu grills really well. You can marinate it in ginger, garlic, and coconut aminos with a dash of red pepper flakes. 4. Vegetable fritters. Veggie fritters are a great alternative to meat and fish patties. You may think of potato fritters as winter fare, when they're often topped with sour cream or apple sauce and eaten as part of a holiday celebration. But really, the small, round veggie pancakes are great as a year-round alternative to meat and fish patties. Pan-fried in a bit of oil, fritters can seem rich, so balance them with a topping of fresh tomato salsa, or dress them up with a no-cook sauce like pesto. 5. Pulled pork jackfruit sandwiches. Tasty jackfruit sandwiches can satisfy even the biggest meat lovers. Jackfruit has made a name for itself in vegan and vegetarian circles as a dense and chewy meat alternative that's so good it convinces carnivores that they are eating the real thing. You can make a wonderfully messy pulled jackfruit sandwich instead of the usual pulled pork. Marinate it with barbecue sauce and sauté it on a skillet on the grill for a fast meat-free option. Like some other plant alternatives, jackfruit can have a great amount of sodium. You can cut back with low and no sodium sauces to keep the numbers manageable. 6. A veggie platter. A veggie platter is a colorful and healthy addition to any summer barbecue menu. Of course, you don't have to try to hide the fact you're eating veggies in place of meat. You can own it and really put on a show-stopping presentation. Grill bell pepper strips, zucchini and yellow squash slices, asparagus spears, blanched Brussels sprouts, baby artichokes, broccoli spears, blanched carrots, fennel wedges, or any other veggies that would go well with hummus. If these options don't sound like they may be for everyone and you're hosting a backyard barbecue that will include a mix of guests, don't feel the need to have an entire menu for both. Remember, all you need is a few options that you can pull together with your traditional menu in order to make sure everyone at the get-together is well fed. If you thought this information was useful, don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, leave a like and comment a topic you would like me to make a video about.